Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of S7GM383, a 2007 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. A little bit of damage right there. Two-wheel drive Duramax LBZ truck, 6-speed Allison auto, female owned. I don't know why you do that. Who knows? Good looking truck though. Ranch hand front bumper on her. She's a beaut. Texas truck, so she's clean as a whistle besides like the normal Texas stuff with seats and whatnot. Driver door ajar. Let's see what this thing's all about. 200,568 miles. She's a baby. Good running Duramax there. Let's go ahead and put her into gear. Forward. Reverse. Man, that shift's nice and firm. Climate control. We got cold air. Everything's working on the climate control. This can't have power folding mirrors. Yeah, no, somebody... This had power folders and somebody took them off. But let's go ahead and test them. Working good. Those mirrors look an awful lot like OEM to me. All the power windows work. Well, a little bit of belt noise, but other than that, that's a good run in Duramax. 200,000 miles, she's barely broken in. 6-speed Allison, if you know, you know. That's kind of a one-year only thing. They're pretty cool. Other than that, guys, I've got nothing else here. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.